सेनेटरी इजलास इस वक्त जारी है। रज़ा रब्बानी इज़हार ख्याल कर रहे हैं।
Seriously injured and have no hospitals in Gaza because the hospitals have been razed to the ground by Israeli bombardment. They can be taken to hospitals across the border. A collective, as I said, rehabilitation fund. What needs to be done in the way forward, Mr. Chairman, on the political side is, number one, the Muslim world should impose an economic sanctions on Israel immediately. Number two, ban all Israeli tourists or all Israelis holding passports to enter any Muslim country. Number three, suspension of diplomatic ties. Number four, और उसका ताल्लुक हमसे है, Pakistan should not allow, Mr. Chairman, America for the use of Pakistan's airspace or Pakistan's ground facilities for its troop withdrawal in Afghanistan, because the United States was as much an aggressor on the people of Palestine as was Israel. Number five, Mr. Chairman, an international mechanism to prevent such circumstances from happening again. And number six, Mr. Chairman, the army of 41 Muslim countries should be placed at the disposal of the Palestinian Authority. Mr. Chairman, most important, सबसे ज़्यादा अहमियत इस बात की है कि फ़लस्तीनी यक आवाज़ होके अपनी जिद्दोजहद को आगे बढ़ाएं और इस यक आवाज़ के लिए इजरायली एक्सपेंशनिज्म के लिए को रोकने के लिए मैं समझता हूं कि उनके डिफरेंसेस अपनी जगह, लेकिन फतह को और हमास को अपने डिफरेंसेस सिंक करके फ़लस्तीन की आज़ादी के लिए अपनी जिद्दोजहद को मुश्तरका बना के आगे ले जाना चाहिए। और आखिर में जनाब चेयरमैन, मैं ये समझता हूं कि आज़ादी भीख में नहीं मिलती जनाब चेयरमैन। You cannot expect to be free, to break the chains of oppression and suppression, to stop Israeli expansionism. You cannot expect the United States, the European Union, or the running dogs of American imperialism to give freedom or to give practicality to the two-state theory. The two-state theory can only find its practicality, Mr. Chairman, in an intifada. And in the end, I would like to say from the floor of this House कि पाकिस्तान के अवाम फ़लस्तीनी अवाम के साथ खड़े हैं। Pakistan ke awam support the intifada, because the intifada is the only way that Palestine will be free and Jerusalem will be its capital. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.